And I had this thought. I was like, well, when I get on Lethal tomorrow, I have to tell them how I had a dream that I was swallowed by a whale. I did not have a dream about that. That was never happened.
I have to tell
My
them.
brain was my brain was telling me to lie to you guys.
Wow.
There's tulip snakes.
You think there's two old snakes?
Tulip snakes.
You said that again, and it also sounded like two old snakes. You're not clarifying this. Tulip snakes?
Tulip.
Tulip. Oh, okay, good.
Yes.
Except for the one brick, the one like piece of wood on a string. The colorful one that Bingley likes.
Oh.
I'm gonna get freaking flown. That's not me.
Oh, R.I.P.
If I go in, I'm gonna die. Get off of me.
God. Oh my god.
Oh no!
Its wings. Ava, look at its wings.
Oh,
What's happening?
yeah, I'm freaking.
Take a picture. Oh god.
Oh god. Oh god.
Ellen, get close. I got it. I think.
What am I gonna do?
Oh, it's gone.
Oh, they're in here.
Oh.
That's what she said. Another apparatus? That's actually kind of a funny joke. Somebody said that. Somebody, like, when you're editing this video, cut that together to make it seem like I, like, said that correctly.
Okay. No, what? No.
Creature?
What?
What is? What has you?
The guy.
The guy?
The guy? Ellen!
Oh no! Not this.
Follow Julia.
Oh, there's an egg over there.
What?
No, not after what happened last time.
Oh.
Oh my god, we gotta go. Run.
There's no. I can't get past him.
You can't get past him. Oh god.
Oh.
Ella, we have to leave.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Why do we have to go? Sorry, I wasn't
We
Julia!
have to leave! Drop your stuff.
What was it?
It's a
What is it?
jester.
Jester?
No! I'm being flown! I can't get through the door.
Did you get that door?
I can't. It's gonna get me. You made it!
On the way! Hey, I'm allowed to have my opinion.
Oh my god.
Oh man.
Oh
Oh, two of them.
no. No. Where did she go? Oh no.
Zaman. Remember, actually, no, one of you go down at a time.
Ella, go.
Bye.
What?
What? Okay, why are we all barking? Why is this what we're doing right here?
I like the sound they make.
Yeah.
Dogs?
What?
Go.
What's that?
What?
Oh!
What is it?
Oh, I have a baby!
No.
Teenage pregnancy.
Oh my god.
I have a baby!
What are you gonna do with that baby?
I don't know.
Put it up for adoption?
You
I
go.
just saw him and I grabbed him.
It's moving.
Raise him?
Oh no.
Kill him?
Rock him.
Rock him. Rock
Okay, he's
him.
good, he's
Now
good.
stop!
I'm sorry.
Well, you're gonna have to take care of the baby.
I will. I'm up for it.
Okay.
Stay at the elevator. And I'll look for more cups. Nope, there's a spider.
Okay. Oh.
I think that was a spider. You're gonna have to leave your baby.
No, my baby!
How are you gonna do that one?
Bye, baby. Sorry!
That's so-
Ah!
Baby!
Baby! Is it here? Oh no.
He likes the solo cup.
He likes the cup.
No, he's gonna eat the cup!
I didn't know he did that.
Yeah, don't let him eat the cup.
He's a cup eater?
Yeah. This is the last round. You can drop the baby.
I don't want to drop the baby.
Well, you can't. I don't know, you can't stay here.
I know. It's okay.
Send him home. Bye,
I'm
baby.
leaving, baby.
Sad baby.
I'm so sorry. I feel so bad.
Well, he's not your real child.
He loves me like one.
Well, that's also concerning.
I thought he just
Ella,
likes staring
Ella,
at the
Ella,
cup.
Ella.
Ella, shut up. Zella is a dog. Go.
Oh my god.
It was so whoopee cushion.
No way.
The baby!
Here. I have two of them.
Oh, they're so cute!
Take one.
Oh, why did it make that sound?
I think I'd like cow's milk because I know there's no like soybean cruelty going on in the process of it.
Yes.
So that's pretty nice.
Soybeans are notoriously abused.
Abused and neglected and treated quite awful. So are almonds. Those poor things are definitely abused in the almond milk
You know
industry.
how many
So
almonds
that's
are
why I
killed for
support.
almond milk?
Exactly. Do you want to know how many almonds are ground up into a paste
Yeah, alive.
for almond milk? Alive. They're not. Yeah, they're like literally like killed by being blended. So that's why I support the dairy industry. Putting the kids in the elevator and bringing them up.
What? She took my baby. What?
That's not great.
Ella? Oh my god. Oh, here.
Here.
Okay, look in here.
Why?
I don't know. I saw the red can. I needed it.
Red can?
Yeah. It's soda.
Red can. Oh.
What? How many hell don't they?
What?
That's true.
You know my baby and his magnifying glass.
That's true.
Back to the beginning.
That's true.
Why isn't there anything here?
Ah!
Oh, get out of here. Oh. Did you like the soccer
like those-
segment?
No! No! That's nice.
Oh my god. She did not like the soccer segment.
She did not.
Truly the evil of the century. What is this? Oh! Where's the way? Oh my god.
Oh?
Wait, is there a snare flea in here?
Yeah.
Did it scurry off or what happened? I have a
No, it's
I had
on
a
the
sign.
ceiling.
I had a
It's on the
sign.
ceiling.
It's on the ceiling.
Something in here.
There's something in here?
I need to kill the bug. Wait, what?
Uh-oh, Thumper?
Thumper?
Wait, really?
Maybe.
Maybe, yeah. Possible Thumper.
That's definitely a thumper!
Yeah, Ella
That's a
saw
Thumper.
it.
Get out of here.
Run!
There's a
Julia
think you
definitely said
you-
yes.
You accidentally, stuck it on Julia?
Okay. Oh, Katie, Ella. What?
It's okay. I'm okay.
Oh my god.
Is that, why is that happening?
No.
What?
Huh?
It sounded so scary!
She's marching onwards. 7! It's up there. It's up next to the little house. One of you has to live, unfortunately. Hey, please don't attack your sister. That's what I'm always saying. I'm like, please,
Oh,
Please don't
hey!
touch sister. Oh!
please.
What is that?
That's unfortunate.
What's going on?
It's the baby!
I'm with child.
The baby? The baby! Child? Oh. Oh.
I
Don't let
haven't.
it cry. Don't let it cry.
Okay, little baby. No!
Rocket, pick it up! There you go.
Okay.
Bracken!
No, please.
Hi, baby. Don't cry.
It's okay, baby.
Little baby. What's his name? Oh! What? Rock the
It
baby?
doesn't like that question, Ella.
It didn't like me called that.
No.
Okay. Rock. Okay. Should I go up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just in case a tragedy happens with the baby. Huh?
Ella, look at your niece.
Oh,
Isn't she
she's so
beautiful?
adorable. Yeah. Is her name Lana? Oh my god.
This is Lana.
Really hates that.
No.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, it just
Give
threw
it
up
a
on
new-
me.
Oh no, that's not good.
Is that not
What's that
good?
mean again?
I don't know.
Oh.
Wait, does this thing just grow up no matter what?
Yes, I believe so. Maybe.
Where's the exit?
Get out of here! They're trapped with a man-eater, Katie. I feel like it is right there, Ella. The elevator's been sent down. Get out of there and go.
Where's the
It's almost
exit?
5.
Julia?
Where is it? Where did it go?
You dropped your flashlight.
I know it does that.
Go to Katie's voice.
Hello?
Go, okay, Udo. Get in.
Hop over. Come here, Ella. No. Sorry, Ella.
Sorry.
Oh, I have your flashlight.
Oh, you actually got it.
That's
You're
good.
so talented.
I saved your stuff, and I left you to die.
Thanks.
No big bird.
No big bird.
No Big Bird?
Very
There
good.
is no Big Bird in my fanfiction.
What about what?
There's no Big Bird in my fanfiction, so that's good.
You should get some Big Bird in your fanfiction.
I
I bet they've made
Sesame Street
fanfictions
fanfiction?
about what would happen if Big Bird went on the Challenger.
Okay, guys, I've
That
got
has
this.
to exist.
Big Bird
Oh, go
Challenger.
Not Ella
AO3 Big
again.
Bird
Ella
Challenger.
goes in first. That's the problem.
She's
Too
too
slow.
fast.
Too slow.
We're old, okay?
We're so old.
Old and rickety.
No, come on. There has to be. There has.
None?
What?
Like, you hate them.
Okay, are you only looking on AO3 or are you looking at?
I'm only looking on AO3. There has to be some on Wattpad, but it'll be like joke
Probably.
fanficking it. If it was on AO3, then it would be like seriously written, like,
really,
Big Bird
like,
decked
heart-wrenching.
alternate uniform. Yeah.
I thought that was a
What?
landmine.
I was so scared. Another man lunch.
No, no, no.
Unfortunate, Ella. Stay in there.
Oilhead.
That was right behind you, Ella.
What?
Guys, there's a thumper.
We need to leave. We need to leave.
There's a turret.
Oh, it's a turret.
I hear things. I hear a turret.
That's a man line. Come here. Someone turn around.
Is everybody in?
I'll turn around.
That's not good.
You can't get us! You can't get us! You freak!
That was awful.
That's terrible.
I'm taking my console.
Thank goodness, guys. Let's go to the ship and heal. Hashtag get Ellen he be
What?
first. I feel like maybe we should show.
Rare,
What?
mansion.
Rare.
Rare mansion.
Mansion.
Me.
On Titan.
Hello.
Listen to those screams on the phone. Whoa!
Oh my god, guys, get in the kitchen.
Get in the kitchen. There's so many things in here.
Bottles.
What?
Whoa, how did you
Scared?
get
Oh my god! Ava scared me.
Oh, Ella.
Unless one of us dies.
Ella. Guys, careful. Ella, you got. What did? Be very careful.
What's going on?
Julia,
What?
I'm leaving.
careful. What is it? What is it? A coil head?
No, I almost stepped on a
A
landmine.
trap. It's a trap. It killed Ella. Yeah, it crushed Ella.
Oh!
Oh, it's there. It has her body in it.
It's
Oh my
horrible.
god. That's awful.
My poor leg.
Do you think you can go underneath it? Do you think you have time?
Can I get her?
Oh my god, you got Ellen.
I've saved her.
Ellen's body? Oh god.
It's horrible.
Death crushing.
Oh, she can't go like that.
Oh, this is
Trying
violent.
to drop her?
Should I go back in? Oh. There's near activity detected.
That's not good.
Should I not go in there?
Well, okay, you could if you wanted. You're your own woman. Make your own choices. Don't listen to them. Don't listen to what they have to say. It's a mimic.
Ah! I walked
Oh,
in.
when she
I-
saw it.
I saw that there was near activity detected on the door. So I went
Oh.
in, of course.
I would be dead.
You little freak.
And I saw it, and then I left. And Ella
You
screamed
evil
right when I
freak.
saw it.
I would
Place
also
reminds me
say.
of football.
I would also say Mo Meaty.
Low meaty. What is that?
It meant I wanted more meat.
More meat.
Huh?
In the days you were.
Yeah, Mo Meaty.
Right.
Yeah, and then I'd say, please. I go, peace, Mo Meaty, please.
Mo meaty
Yes,
peas.
and I'd like, not so gently give my dish to my mother so she could procure me Mo Meat.
Mo meaty.
Mo Meaty peas. I would not so kindly throw my dish at her to try and so that she would so that she'd give me more meat.
Whoa.
Mo Meaty.
Mo meaty.
Oh, meaty.
Mo meaty
You
peas.
say please, but you don't mean it.
Yeah, I did not mean the peas at the end there. I said Mo Meaty, please.
Get it.
This was not worth it. Oh! It's a bracken. Where's my Ella?
I'm gonna go back up.
Okay. Secure. Ah! This guy's haunting me.
Is Ella alive?
What?
There's a bracken. Ella? Shoot, where did our Ella go? We didn't find nothing in here. Ella! No, please!
Hello?
Ella!
Yeah, Ella's still alive. Ella's still alive. She has a stop sign in her arms and is
There's
ready
a
to beat somebody
bracken
up.
in here.
There's a bracken.
She wants me dead and gone. Ella?
That's unfortunate. Ella's been bracked.
I'm leaving, I'm leaving. Or should I get- no. Nope. Wait, should I get her stuff?
No!
I heard it clank down here. No, I didn't. Ella?
Uda's still alive.
Ella, do you know where your stuff is?
Ella, where are your stuff? She's saying she has no idea.
Okay, that's not good. That's not the answer I wanted. I have to go.
Go over there. Go over the rocks. Don't do it. Wait.
Over the rocks?
Ella!
Ah! Is that where its nest is? Give me. Nope, we're leaving the stop sign.
Something's out there.
There's something always around, everywhere. I ain't never gonna. Oh, I found it. Please, Bracken. I don't want no trouble. Okay.
I was so scared. I heard walking and I was like, what is that? No one's out here.
Oh my god.
And then I heard, hey.
That's so scary.
What the hell? I thought I was being like attacked.
Oh.
Purple suit.
Apparently the girl cannot spawn on Vow.
So then,
Why did I hear,
can
hey?
What
was
was
I
that?
wasn't even filming. I wasn't even filming. I definitely heard hey, and it was in my ears.
Oh my god. I don't know what that would be.
I can't believe that there's no Big Bird Challenger.
Like real,
Fanfics.
heart-wrenching, like terrible
I know.
fanfiction about that. That's horrible.
yeah, where's my heart-wrenching, like, alternate universe where, like, Sesame Street is just, like, forever changed? Children's lives are, like, forever, like, altered.
Yeah.
Because Big Bird exploded with the Challenger.
I
Yeah.
need this.
And then like the aftermath of all
Yeah.
the,
Yeah,
but
the-
it's like
the
treated as
Sesame
though
Street
the
characters,
are
like-
real people, and not
Mm-hmm.
like people playing them.
They're not puppets, guys.
Yeah, and then like, you know, they like all fall into deep depression.
Right.
And they have to deal with the fact that they're all watching this on TV.
Yeah, and
Like,
it's been
they're
recorded, and they could like see it, and, like it's on the news. They have to keep.
And then maybe
seeing
like the other characters have to go and comfort children. I don't know.
it.
Yeah, the other characters, like, they have to, like, they put on this brave face of, oh, we're sad, but, you know, we're these strong entities for these kids to latch onto because Big Bird just freaking exploded.
Yeah.
But, like, they have, and it shows, like, their feelings behind that because they're really dealing with it.
This needs to be real.
And they have to deal with those feelings of, like, having to push down their own, like, how they feel about this, their own grief, simply
Yeah.
because they have to care about the
Nothing
children
down
that watch them. So, yeah. Where's this fan fiction when you need it?
I guess we'll
So much potential.
There is so much potential for, like, an alternate universe. And then we do an alternate universe of the alternate universe that's actually just our universe where Big Bird doesn't die.
Yeah. It was actually all just a dream.
Yeah, I know, Gonzo wakes up at the end.
Awesome.
Gonzo's the protagonist of this fan.
There's an apparatus.
Yeah, I saw that.
I feel like I crossed my universe.
Do you think there's anything in there? Why did it just now tell me Ella's playing?
Yeah, they're the same universe. They're all puppets. Big Bird's in a couple Muppets.
Big Bird actually, yeah. Big Bird was in the Muppet movie, so they know each other.
Yeah, it's canon that all my puppets
Big
know
Bird
each other.
also
So
actually also went on Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood, so he's also canon in that universe.
A chapter is Mr. Rogers dealing with the grief of losing his friend Big Bird.
Oh, not again!
What?
Baby.
Got a baby, guys.
Oh,
Crawled out of
kill
a
it.
vent at me. I can't kill
I
it
knew
if
it!
I
I
kill
knew! Can you sell the baby body?
You cannot sell the baby body. If I take this thing outside, it'll turn into a creature.
Yeah.
As soon as outside it turns.
It starts crying and then
Yeah.
it turns.
It doesn't like outside.
No.
Yeah, you can't.
Maybe go get the apparatus and we leave.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
It came out of that vent right in front of me. While we were talking about Big Bird.
Wait, where's the apparatus?
Does he like Big Bird?
Do you like Big Bird? Do you like Big Bird? Seems to like Big Bird, didn't cry about it.
Yeah.
Would you be sad if
Yeah.
Big Bird died in the Challenger explosion?
Would you be sad?
Oh, it doesn't look like he'd be sad about that. Are they okay? That's so ominous.
Okay, baby.
I'm gonna have to leave you, baby.
It's time to leave, baby.
Bye-bye, baby. Oh, it's so sweet.
That baby was very kind. It didn't cry once.
No, it just sat down and looked
Yeah.
at Julia.
Aww.
Do you think that, like, the beginning of the story starts with, okay, so the Muppets and Sesame Street guys, they're all gathered around to watch the Challenger launch,
Do
obviously,
you think
because
they're
it's their
there
friend,
in
you know?
person, or are they watching it on TV?
I don't know, honestly. I feel like some of them were definitely watching it on TV, but others,
Yeah,
I mean,
think-
like,
I
probably
think
ring
Big Bird's
it.
closest friends were there. Like,
Don't
watching-
go.
yeah, like Mr.
Like,
Snuffleupagus is
yeah,
definitely there.
Snuffleupagus.
Oh,
Yeah, that guy's definitely
what
there.
do you mean they were
I
there?
love that guy.
They're like at the launch site with
they're,
them.
like,
Like,
watching-
his closest friends and family are there.
Oh.
Okay,
It's
the
like,
Challenger
yeah,
explodes.
Don't we get to see his mom or something?
Yeah, we get to see his like grandma, I know. So
Yeah, that's what
his grandma's there, maybe his mom if she's still like in the picture, and so the Challenger, it's going up, it explodes. That's tragic, and it begins by them seeing a yellow
This is
feather
insanity what we're talking
slowly,
about.
a yellow feather slowly fall from
Oh
the
my
sky and
God.
land on them.
This is the
Yeah,
evil-
like in a cartoon.
Yeah,
Like in a
oh.
cartoon.
Like they
And then,
explode.
and then it's like basically a fade to
Oh,
black
God.
situation here. And okay, so it's like a fade to black situation, and we get to see. And I like to think that we don't go back to the Challenger date of launch for a while. So this is all prepping for the Challenger. Like we're all like, well, everybody's excited. We found out, oh my god, he's on the Challenger. The guys, this is really
Yeah,
cool.
this is
And then so like we go through his whole arc. He's getting ready. He's scared. He's really nervous. He's having feelings about this. Like he's like being pretty nervous about it. He doesn't think, but.
We
But
need
his friends,
404.
we need to have like two of his close friends convince him to go.
404.
We need to have like two people
Yeah.
in his life convince him to
Like,
do it
this
so
is,
that
like,
they
you're
have that
making
guilt.
history. And also, like, NASA wouldn't let anything happen to you.
Yeah, NASA, they've got this all figured out, and you're going to be with other astronauts. They're going to be with astronauts,
Yeah.
and they're going to take care of you and make sure that you're okay. And so then he goes to this, and before he goes though, he has like this last minute where he's like, if anything happens to me, and he has like this letter maybe, or
Forgot
like
about
this
Amy's
will,
mug.
and so he's ready. He gets on the Challenger, and we see this all happen. It's terrible, but I also think we also need
I
some
got it.
some fast forward of like 6 months ish later of everybody dealing with the aftermath of this horrific tragedy. Big Bird's gone. He's exploded. That's awful. But so he's having to like his friends are having to go through this like terrible tragedy, and the two that convinced him to go, well, they're like even more in mourning, and they're like they can't even contact his family or their friends because they're feeling so distraught because it's their fault, right? You know, they're the ones who they convinced him to go on the challenge.
Who did?
Like they're the reasons that Big Bird's on the challenger, and
Who
so
convinced Big Bird?
His friend.
and so like
Okay.
and so his friends they're like they can't talk to Grandma Big Bird. They can't like talk to Snuffleupagus because like it's their fault that he's gone, and so they feel responsibility for that
We
grief.
could get the car and try to. Oh wait, does
And-
it come here?
And then we go through the process of this
Can it?
healing that they go through. Of like they find each other again. They start to realize that nobody blames them. They don't blame each other
They should
because
test it here.
at the end of the day, it wasn't something that could be prevented. And then, you know, like I feel like we need
Other than
we need-
not having him guess.
other than I'm not on the challenger, but this couldn't have been like predicted. Nobody could have known that Big Bird would explode if he went on the challenger. So we have this whole
Take
thing,
this
and it's like,
so far.
we have this whole arc of his two friends.
what
and
did you
I
buy?
think
I got it.
I think the two friends that helped convince him of this would
Huh?
probably bond the closest to each other.
That's true.
Because you know they have this terrible thing, and they think that like
There it is.
they think that they're gonna blame each other for it, but they can't because
Oh
you know.
my god.
But they can't because
Ella,
it's each
do you wanna
other. They're equally
I
quote, to
do.
blame in this, you know. So I feel like we
I'll
get
watch
some
from the outside.
good story
Oh my
arc
God.
with them, and
It's
then maybe we
scary.
could like maybe we could go to the
say
effects
go
that this has
forward.
on Grandma Bird, on Mrs. Big Bird.
Mhm.
And so like we can go to her house, and maybe she's the one who's like making sure everybody reaches out to the two friends and make sure that they're all okay because she's super selfless. She's super ready
To go.
to forgive them
Careful,
and understand that they just had Big Bird's like best interests at heart when they did push him to go. And so
try to turn
she has to like kind of push aside her
forward
own
and
grief
turn. Oh,
in order
you need
to
to go
like
out.
accept these two back into
Okay, go
her
back.
into her circle and to make sure that they know that they're loved and cared for them.
Oh.
Push
And I
you.
feel like
Push you.
obviously like Sesame Street
You
isn't
need
the
to come
same
forward
anymore.
a little bit more.
Oh.
Muppets aren't the
Whoa.
same anymore. We've got this whole thing of them having to, of all of the characters having to pretend that this isn't
Whoa.
affecting them. Like this didn't, like they have to pretend that they're sad, but the grief of the children, you know, has to come first in this situation. They have to care about the general population, you know, the children who watch them every day, who've probably seen this on the TV, because I feel like they're probably watching this in elementary
Can you
schools.
do it?
And they watch and they see the Challenger explode, and boof, there goes Big Bird. And so now they have to be like, well,
Okay,
you know, we're all sad, but, you know, well, you know, we
I
have
got
each
it.
other, we
Okay,
can
but how
care
are we
for
gonna
each
get you onto
other,
the-
and yeah, I feel like we could do this, guys. Who wants to help me write this?
I do.
Jumps
do
the
it.
front. It only jumps
Okay.
the front. I'll push ya.
Oh,
whoa, whoa! I
Okay.
didn't know it would do that.
Kiss, kiss, baby.
Okay, forward. Oh. You're getting really stuck.
Why do you have that?
Got
Yeah! Sick.
Are you guys gonna ride in that while the ship takes off?
I think you would die.
No, we gotta test this out, guys. Come
Yeah,
on.
take off while I'm in here. Let's do
No!
this.
You are
He's
Big
right
Bird, and this
there.
is the
I
Challenger.
am Big Bird, and this is the Challenger. Ooh, a cave for me. It's locked. Guys, do we have a key?
My flashlight's dead.
I'm very scared. I'm very scared.
Did it throw up?
No,
Okay.
it's about to, I think.
Guys, you might. Oh, Ross. Oh. Ah, it's a man eater, guys. Leave. Leave. Oh, Katie's dead. Okay, that's unfortunate. Get out, get out, get out. Yeah. But maybe if you were just better to him, he wouldn't. Julia, Ella found it. The baby. Julia's gonna get babied, guys. That's a little heavy.
What is that? Where is the way out?
I think that's right. Katie thinks that's it. Yeah.
Why was there an alarm sound?
No, no, no. Ella's dead. Ella's been gianted. It's right there, Julia. Go, 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 go. She's in it.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it started.
Okay, I'm gonna get out.
Go, go, go.
What the fuck?
What are you doing? You're
What?
in reverse.
I didn't- I
press
didn't-
forward.
I didn't do that.
Ah! Ran me over.
Doors open. Ow.
Get out of here! I need to get out of here.
These guys are crazy.
You survived, Julia?
I did.
No, she's alive. That was really good.
We can just play with the car until dogs spawn and kill us.
Hey, Ella, there's a thumper inside, so we can just play with the car until dogs spawn.
Okay.
You're really good
I'm
at
getting
this.
it.
Oh, get it through.
I don't know.
Get it
Ella, I
Yeah.
can't wait. Ella, you should get a manual car. You're clearly very good at driving.
Yeah, you're very
I
good.
think-
Stick.
Oh,
Naturally
They
gifted.
can't fit.
you ran that pole.
Yeah.
Ella.
I was gonna help
What?
you. I was gonna
You
help
almost
you, and you
ran
almost
both of
ran
us
me
over.
over.
Oh, sorry.
Stop telling me you have 10% AirPods. Why are they doing that?
Oh,
Ow.
scared.
Sorry.
Ow. Maybe you should get
Oh,
inside. You should get in the passenger.
Okay. Don't run me over.
Stop crouching.
I'm stopping.
Okay. I was telling Julia to stop crouching. You can do it. You need help? Whoa! It's so fast in reverse.
I know. I hate reversing is terrible.
Can I try driving it?
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, sorry. I don't know what just happened.
What are you
Going.
doing? Oh my god!
Okay, good try. We gotta get this car back on.
Oh! Did I run that guy over?
Should we put the car back on?
With the windshield
Yeah.
wipers on.
Oh. Is it radio?
Get Julia out of the driver's seat. They both just died.
What happened?
Leave. No. Go.
Radio? I turned the radio on.
I saw the explosion.
We killed the car. I didn't know. I'm very unobservant.
Observed it.
Unobserved it. That's what I did. You scared me.
Making noises? Get in the ship, please.
I almost fell.
Live.
Oh.
Oh.
There's a big red thing. It's a baby. Oh, goodness. You could hit it with a sign a bunch and hope that maybe it grows up and you can kill it.
That's.
I'm taking the sign.
What?
There you go. Go wherever.
Bracken!
Where Ella is. Bracken! Baby's crying.
What?
Go to where Ella is. Go to where Ella is.
Can't see. Where are you?
There you go. There you go.
This way?
Yeah, okay.
This way?
Maybe?
The light? Oh,
You're going further away. Okay, the other way.
I can't see anything.
There's a dog near the ship.
Where?
You can't talk.
Where are you?
Don't know.
Ella?
Hello?
Hello? I hear you're louder.
Come on, come on. Come on.
What did that happen?
Yes, come on.
Katie died, Katie died, Katie died,
What? No.
Katie died. Yeah. There's a dog. I don't know. Hey, Katie, how did it get you?
It's here, it's here. It's here.
Okay, Ella, you need to get out. You need to live. Be very careful.
The thing.
Guys, yeah, okay, there is a dog at the ship.
No, Ella.
There's
Ella,
goblins.
Ella!
Ella!
What is she doing?
Ella! Okay, Ella. You do you, girl. Oh my. That is... Okay, Ella. Yeah, you just... Katie says you just need to live. Oh! 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 Ella! Oh, Ella! Oh, Ella! This was tragic. Ella's dead, so Julia, without you, Ralph will die, so. Do not say a word, yeah. Get up there, get up there, get in there. Go, 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 go. Look at the blood.
Oh my god. Oh, her body. Oh no.
Oh! Just fell off the top bunk.
The worst thing ever.
This is so sad.
But guys, now we can lie about what happened. Did you see? There were 6 coil heads in one room. We made it out alive.
Julia!
I didn't know you were out.
Bye.
There's something down there.
There's a nutcracker? No. You have the girl.
The girl. Ella has the girl. Let's go.
Oh, that's the girl. Get in here and go.
I can't do this.
I think it's messed
no,
up.
No,
Oh. What was that?
Did you see her again?
What?
That's unfortunate.
What's going on? Did he die? Did I die?
Grab your stuff. It's to the ship.
Are you serious?
What?
Oh.
It's under the ship!
It's under the ship?
No!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh no!
Did Julia die too then?
Yes.
Yeah, she.
Oh.
Water!
No!
A little bath. It's a tunnel!
Go back, go back!
Yes!
Did they die?
Dog. Where is it?
I don't know. It's like near the ship. Maybe you should look at my perspective, Ava.
You just need to try your best to get in the ship, I think. Open the door. Okay, it's on the other side. There's something on the other side from that door, Ellis. You weren't. You know.
Good job. Good job.
Go, run, run. Go, Bye-bye's the girl.
Uh-oh. Okay, we should probably just
Don't look at the girl. Don't look at the girl.
Zella carrying a lot of heavy stuff?
I'm 97 pounds.
Oh, God.
Wow, that's pretty cray-cray.
She's here!
She's here.
No! Oh, are you serious?
We were so close.
High five.
Oh my God! Poor Bob. We were on the ship! We were leaving right then! That's so bad!
What was that?
There's a nutcracker!
Nutcracker! No. I think Bye-bye's out and Ella's definitely out. Oh my god, okay, shut up, Julia. Julia's dead. Stop. How did you do that? Jeez. Get in, run. Okay, go, guys, go. Leave.
It only goes so fast.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
It was like just like, circling me the whole time.
Puerto Rico.
Look at this.
What? He's back there.